Welcome back, traders. Glad you're here today. In this short video today, I'll show you my 100 times backtested result in a roll in the Forex market with the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator in the 15-minute time frame. At the end of this result, we would see the effectiveness of the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator strategy in the market. The primary purpose of the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator is to provide a potential support and resistance region in the market price of a financial asset. How does the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator work in the market? Whenever the price of the asset plunges to the green trailing stops in an uptrend, the green trailing stop of the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator will usually hold the bearish pullback as a support for the price in the uptrend. Likewise, whenever the price of the asset rises to the red trailing stops in a downtrend, the red trailing stop of the SuperTrend AI clustering indicator will usually hold a bullish pullback as a resistance for the price in the downtrend. Based on this working concept of this trading indicator, I will backtest 30 buy-long positions in an uptrend, 30 short positions in a downtrend, 20 reversal entries from a bullish trend to a downtrend, and 20 reversal entries from a bearish trend to an uptrend market. I will target 2 risks to reward ratios on each trade entry. For reversal entries, I will target 2 risk to reward ratios and will trail profit to break even once my trade achieves 1 risk to reward ratio due to the high risk attached to trading reversal setups. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Going for 30 long buy positions in an uptrend. At the end of backtesting 30 buy entries, I have 20 wins and 10 losses, going for 30 long-short positions in a downtrend. At the end of backtesting 30 sell entries, I have 25 wins and 5 losses, Time to trade the reversal of a bullish trend to a downtrend with the SuperTrend AI Clustering Indicator. Going for 20 reversal short positions for the reversal of a bullish trend to a downtrend. At the end of backtesting 20 reversal sell entries, I have 10 wins, 5 break-evens, and 5 losses. Time to trade the reversal of a bearish trend to an uptrend with the SuperTrend AI Clustering Indicator. Going for 20 reversal long positions for the reversal of a bearish trend to an uptrend. At the end of backtesting 20 reversal buy entries, I have 7 wins, 4 break-evens, and 9 losses. Here's the trading result after executing 100 trades based on the SuperTrend AI Clustering Indicator trading strategy. I implemented 2 risks to reward ratios that was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 62 wins, 29 losses, and 9 break-evens. The gain on the account is 20.6%. Here's a good trading record. Backtest this trading strategy based on this setup concept in others to fine-tune the trading system. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.